Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, also honorable Indian peoples, especially youngsters. I am saying for you, I am starting my YouTube channel, Ethics of Gandhiji, fourth part. I am introduced myself. I am G.K. Baburaj Padapakara, hail from Kollam district in Kerala. Actually, I was a fisherman. When I was starting that job, 14 years old. So, I have no given good education. That is why I am request you should apologize my mistakes and defaults. Now, enter the video content. Last video content continuously. What is purpose of government in this matter? Government purpose is very specifically as a concerned government, their totalitarianism should surely hear. For that, threatened all sort government administration system. That is why even any one person didn't shut up against the government because of their thinking they're living buying a salary of the government. So they should serve the government. Otherwise, government will take disciplinary action against them. That is why Human Rights Commission chairpersons and committee members, also all the child welfare committee and women protection committees, all the chairperson and all the members shouldn't shut up against the government. Not only news channels and newspapers, this news ignored because of their wanted to hot news. They're all the time wandering search the hot news. I will say one example. A famous news channel, how to create the hot news. They're together with a woman, allegations, some police officers. The police officers molestation, sexual harassment, her torturing allegations. That news around 2 months loudly speaking, introducing this channel. Lastly, that case reached the court. Session court order inquiry against the police officers. And then police officers approached the court. High Court, that case observation elaborator. Lastly, find out non sequitur. So that High Court rejected the case. Instantly stopped the news, that channel. That is story, this channel news. Whatever most lust patient people live in Kerala. They are using drugs and liquor. After that, they are violating the sexual harassment. Subsequently, lot of adolescents, child girl victims that violations. And then adolescent child pregnant. She was suddenly shocked. Continuously, Suyas conducting these girls in Kerala. Not only that, boyfriend killing the girlfriend, husband killing the wife, wife killing the husband, mothers killing the child, child killing the mothers, father killing the sons, sons killing the fathers. These unrighteousness murders continuously conducting Kerala. So I request all the peoples, these channels and newspapers should interfere this matter. All the peoples complete demand government should implement sexual education, implement curriculum. Otherwise, Kerala is going to very dangerous. That pathetic condition. This condition must removed in the Kerala. Otherwise, any time, all the time, destroying the Kerala situations and the Kerala peoples. Ladies and gentlemen, this video comes to the close here. I am request all sort of problems to only can ethics of Gandhiji. So we will implement Gandhian socialism in our country. Ladies and gentlemen, this video, if you like this video, share and subscribe, cooperate with me. Ladies and gentlemen, friendly goodbye.